Hello and welcome again to eccenca Talking Tech, an in-depth walkthrough of eccenca corporate memory and its features. This is another episode about the Vocabulary Catalog module in corporate memory on how to install or upload a vocabulary. Any vocabulary that is shipped as part of our default catalog can be simply installed by switching this little button here on the right hand side. Right, every click installs another vocabulary element. The vocabulary will be fetched and installed, and all its associated prefixes will be made available. Right, like this 4df. This will be effective in turtle exports and also in your build projects. If you have custom vocabularies, you can simply install them with the Register New Vocabulary button on the top right side. If you click this, you are asked to specify a label. Select the graph IRI and provide an optional description if you want. Finally, point to your graph file and click Add. That's it. A custom vocabulary is made available by this. Alternatively, you can also use our API or our CMMC CLI, and this already concludes a deep dive intro into the installation of vocabularies. As you know, at eccenca, we are constantly working to streamline and simplify the use of our products. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more episodes of Talking Tech. Thank you.